Hello friends, today I'm gonna do Saint Patrick nails. I don't know what is the reason behind this called as Saint Patrick. I did not do any research on that, but everyone says that it's a good luck story. So it's basically named as lucky or good luck nails. Let's start the process. So here I'm doing gel X process for today's theme. And I don't have much time today to do hard gel extensions because we have to create these structures and shape them well. They take almost 1 hour, so that's why I'm doing a quick gel X with these soft gel tips. Now I don't want to have these with this much length, so let's trim them little bit and smoothen up the pointy corners. In my next video, I have a plan that I should create long square nails with these tips. By any hack that works well for this plan. Maybe I change my plan, but I'll definitely try this for sure. In the filing process, I'm not gonna file these very hard. They need side shapes, which is touching my side skin and little bit from the cuticle upper side. That's it. I'm doing it very fast as compared to I regularly do. You can buff them completely, but today I personally not in the mood of getting these dry and rough. After done filing, now I have to seal the cuticles with acetone so the upper gel layers can stick well with the tip surface. Many times I cut the thumb soft gel tips from the cuticle side to make it straight because the thumb has no curve like the others have, but today I literally forgot doing this step and you can see the gap between those two corners. I made the inspo for this theme so I can work without any doubts and wasting time in thinking about what should I do next. I'm going to use particular shades which I've included in this St. Patrick theme nail art. In real, there are only two common shades which are green and golden, but I'm not ready for the golden version of this set, so I won't use that. I applied a thin layer of matte coat on all the nails before do any art. It's now must for me cause I like this step. Took the milky off-white kind of shade from the collection and I think this will go well with this theme. I decided to paint this with solid white but then I realized that I don't have much quantity to put on, so I have to do it with this jelly shade. For this finger, I'm going to make aura effect. Yes, I know my last time struggle with this design, but I have to attempt it until I get successful in this step because I love aura ombre designs, but I struggle a lot in creating those, so it's very sad thing for me. I chose this shade for aura design, but guys, I think this is not giving the vibe I expected. Let's make this first and then think what about next. I want to make the pink center more bright and light at the same time, and I think I don't have any particular shade for that. So let's try with this paint gel. It's not bad, but still it's not the one. I covered it twice because one shade is nothing on this green color. Guys, I thought I don't have any doubts about, but I think I need to focus more on the shades. The problem is not the pink but the green one I already got on. Next time I'll make sure that all the colors I choose go accurately with the theme. This yellow shade is very good. I love how bright and thick is this. Maybe one coat is enough, but I want to drag it more. It's like melted butter. Again, I have to create the aura design on this too. So let's do another mess and see how it comes. I have this white gel paint shade and I like to apply these without mixing in any liquid. Many nail techs do this cause they prefer, but I don't want to make them liquidy. I prefer to use these like this. Guys, I think the ombre aura is not for me. I messed this up too, but it's alright. I have to control my disappointments at this time. We have to finish this today. After done the base layers, now I'm sealing every nail with matte top coat and move to the brush nail art step. I never created this round shape like jalebi before, but it's looking cool and soft at the same time. I liked it. This pattern is not in the good luck nails theme which I'm creating today, but I included many small details from myself because I want to create cute St. Patrick version that people find unique and attractive. Also, if I have to change something from my own inspo, then I'll definitely change that at the moment because I want to make them perfect for this thing. Everything is almost completed and now let's put the 3D elements which I made yesterday. These all have some similarities giving good luck vibes. I'm using solid gel to stick the 3D elements. I found it better for the big 3D structures because those are heavy and the base coat can't handle that heaviness. That's why I prefer to use these since my last 3-4 sets. According to my inspo, I wrote good luck on this nail but I had to remove it because it's not going well. So now I replaced it with something else. It's the balloon, this cute little teddy grab in tiny hands. I love this balloon idea. It's perfect for this nail. It's looking like stamp but it's not. The green color I painted on is going perfectly. After this step, they almost finished. One last and most important step has left, which is sealing everything in with the non-wipe top coat. And if you create these nails, make sure you cover any single curve with top coat layer. You can see how I am doing this step. This is the final look. Saint Patrick, Shamrock, good luck nails. Love this set. I hope you like my videos and appreciate my work. See you next time. Bye.